In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable double opt-in in Aweber. Double opt-in means that once someone subscribes to your list, they must confirm their subscription by clicking a link in an email sent to them. This process ensures higher quality lists, but if you prefer to make it simpler for subscribers, you can disable it. To begin, log into your Aweber account. From the left-hand side menu, click on List Options. A few more options will appear, so make sure you select List Settings. Once you are in the list settings, switch to the third section labeled Confirmation Message. Scroll down until you find the confirmation message settings. Here you will see a toggle option that says Send confirmation for Aweber's sign-up forms. Simply turn this toggle off. After disabling it, click Save List Settings at the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. Double opt-in will now be disabled for your account. From this point on, subscribers will not be required to confirm their sign-up via email, and this is how you can disable double opt-in Aweber.